Hello, SOC kids. I just want to go over with you guys really quickly how to turn in your History Day work. So your topic proposal, your research strategy guide. In the future, it'll be all of your notes, your bibliography, your sources. All of that will be just kept in one place, and you'll just turn it all in once in a folder that you create. So to start, you need to create the folder by clicking on the plus button, and then you can create a new folder. Please name your folder, your first name, last name, NHD 2021. Then you need to put your documents into your folder. So the document I'm referring to is likely something that looks like this. There's a couple that will look similar. You'll have your topic proposal, you'll have your notes and bibliography. Whoops, I don't need that. And you want to move those things into your folder. So I'm just going to use this blank document to show you how. So one thing is you can click and hold it, and then you can put it in any folder that you want to. The other way is that if you get into the folder, that you should be able to move the folder where you want it to be moved to. So you can do that one of two ways. There's the File button. If you go down, right around here, the Move will appear. It's not right now just because it's not loaded fully. The other way is that up here next to this, there it is, you'll get the Move button, and then you can again move it to whatever folder you want to. You can also create your folder here, which might be another way to do it. So go back to here, the File Move button, it is there now. So I can choose a folder to put it into. Once your document is in your History Day folder, then you need to share your History Day folder with me. So the first thing you want to do is just click on the folder, not click into it, but just on it. And then the little human with the plus button, you can put that, send that to me, Nicole Tripp at ISD 728. There are 5 trips in the building or in the district, so please make sure that you get the right one. Then you also need to actually turn it in. So that gives me access to it. That allows me to open your material, but it doesn't actually put it in the turn in box for me. So to do that, you need to grab this link code here. Once you get the link code, you go into your Schoology page, and this is the only time you'll have to actually turn it into Schoology. It is in this week's folder. It'll be in any week's folder. I just keep dropping it down. And then it's the History Day folder Google form. So it's very simple. It's your first name, last name, hour, and then putting that link in there. So just a quick show you hour, first name, last name. This is another way that you can get that link, and another way that you can share it with me would be to do a left click onto the folder itself. Left click or alt click or control click, whatever you do that. And then you want to put that share code, that link, the get link code right there, and submit. And that is it. Thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions.